To change region on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you will have to scroll all the way down and go for the system. And as you are here, you can find these options for language and region. So let's go in here and now select the region. And from here you can select your region. There is the list of all of these different regions available, and you can type into this search box, text box actually, to search for your region. So let's for example type in the Spanish language. Is it like available right here, or yeah, right here we have this Spain. Let's select it, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can change this region. Also, after changing your region on your device, I recommend you to actually restart your device. So you can go for the quick settings, press three dots on the top right corner, and actually no, you will have to go and press the power button and the volume up button at the same time, which will open up the power menu. And now you can restart your device now, just like this, and now as you release the finger, your device will restart. And I recommend you to do this after changing your region, and this will apply all of these necessary settings.